So hello there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to open an older version of a Premiere Pro project in the latest 2025 version. So let's dive in without delaying any more time. First, find the Premiere Pro project file you want to open. It will have a .prproz extension. Launch the Premiere Pro 2025, this one the newest version. Drag and drop the file into the workspace or go to file, open project and select your file, but make sure you are signed into Premiere Pro and then do it. When you try to open the project, Premiere Pro will show a messaging saying that this project was created in an older version of Premiere Pro. It needs to be converted. Don't worry, this is completely normal. Now you have to click OK to continue after following all the older steps perfectly. Make sure you don't make any single mistakes. If you make any mistakes, your mission would not be accomplished, okay? So make sure to follow these steps perfectly. Now give the new file a different name and choose where you would like to save it. This creates a new updated version while keeping your original safe. Once it opens, take a moment to review the media, scrub through the timeline, check your effects and transitions. In most cases, everything will be intact, but minor tweaks may be needed. Always keep your original project file as a backup just in case you need it later or if something does not transfer projectly. And that's it. Now you know how to open older Premiere Pro projects in 2025 on the newer version with ease. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe and drop a comment below for more creative tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy editing. Goodbye.